So we're doing a remodel on this bathroom, and we pulled the toilet up, this toilet, and discovered that they had to use 3/4 inch pieces of pipe to level the toilet. So the reason being is because the concrete's kind of messed up around it, and the flange wasn't all the way down. So we're gonna cut that flange out of there, grind down the concrete, and try to get this toilet leveled up. Okay, first thing you want to do is put some rubber gloves on, and then put a rag down in the hole so whatever breaks off doesn't get stuck down in there. Alright, so we can retrieve that, and any pieces of plastic that drop in there we can get to. So we're going to take the saws off and cut this flange off. Okay, now we got the top of the flange cut off. What we're going to do is remove this inner part. This is a 4-inch pipe here, and we're in a concrete floor. And so you see where I cut it with the sawzall, or a reciprocating saw, and it broke out a little piece of it. And you should be able to take a flat tip screwdriver and break this loose all the way around so we can install a new one in there. Okay, we got it loose, and this one actually came out in one piece. Okay, so now you get this out of the way, and the whole reason this thing's messed up is because the concrete is so out of level here. So we're going to take a diamond wheel on a grinder and level this out. Okay, this is the diamond wheel. It's a good idea to wear a respirator on this. Okay, we'll get to it. Okay, we ground it down as far as we could, and we still had to leave about 1/8 of an inch here. The concrete was so out of level over here, we didn't go any deeper. So this is the type of flange we're going to use. These come in ABS or PVC. Has a rubber gasket on it. As you thread it up, it tightens. So you want to get it started, you want to get it just snug in the hole, and then when it starts to grab, slide it all the way in. When you turn it, it'll tighten down, and you want to line up from where your bolts are. And we're going to use Tapcon brand concrete anchors to hold it down.